Real police body cam ahead. Shared for educational and documentary use under fair use.
Officers respond to a domestic disturbance call. Neighbors heard a husband shouting aggressively at his wife. As police arrive, the tension is obvious. The husband is even more furious now that law enforcement is on the scene.
Jeff, come out here and talk to me.
Jeffrey, stop, baby.
Six, can you have medics on standby? The subject breaking windows inside of the house. Back to you. He's refusing to come out. Jeff, you need to come outside.
No,
Hey.
baby. Baby,
No, stop.
Baby, stop.
Stop.
Please.
Stop.
Please, baby.
Stop. 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 You need to stop. You need to stop. 60, the subject taking off on a car. 10-4, he's pulling away from the house right now. Jeff, stop! 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 Turn around! Turn around! Turn around! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Jeff, get on the ground! Jeff, get on the ground! Get on the ground! Jeff, get on the ground! Hands out wide! Hands out wide! Put your hands out!
I'm a person, bitch.
Put your hands out!
Why people don't like me?
Put your hands out!
Bitch. And he don't need
One at
help. Back
gunpoint.
the fuck up. No, you're a bitch.
Hold on.
Back the fuck up.
10-4, got him a gun pump. Get his bitch up.
You really need
Stop!
You need help?
Face down! Face down! Face down! Put your hands out!
They are out. You fuck up.
Out to your side!
Oh, like that? Is that gonna stop something? You done?
I'm waiting for my backups!
Yeah,
Stop!
Pussy, 'cause you can't do shit. Oh, look. Oh, hurry up! Hurry up! Come on! Sorry ass bitch.
Hey, put on your gloves! Put on your gloves! Put them in handcuffs!
Yeah, come on, pussy number 2. Let's go. All right, relax. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. I don't want to hurt you, bitch. Too late. It's already hurting. Well, too goddamn late, bitch. You want to be, oh yeah, you're a big fucking pussy.
Go ahead and have medics come in.
Fuck you.
Bleeding to the
I don't need to sit up. Get the fuck off of me.
10-4, 1 subject change. Medic, clear
Get
for
the
medic.
fuck off of me.
Advise on scene.
I don't want to sit up. I don't want to sit up. Tell that bitch right there in the.
You're done talking to her. You're done talking to
Oh,
her.
I'm done talking?
Yes.
Oh, hey, bitch. You right there. The one I'm fucking talking to over there. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
No, not you on the ground. The dumb bitch standing up. No. And